Peace, YouTube. Eddie Gerard from Success Definers. If you need us, you know where you can find us. www.successdefiners.com. How many W's was that? Peace to all the chesting up YouTubers out there. I see y'all. Today I want to talk about a marketing method that I use and that I think may help you. If this sounds like something that you might be interested in, please stick around, subscribe to the channel, hit the notification bell. Let's get into it. 1 through 5, coldest to warmest prospects. Okay, prospect 1 is unaware. They don't know that they have a need and they don't know anything about you or your services. They are going to be the most coldest when you outreach. Number 2, problem aware. So they know that they have a problem or a need, but they don't know that there are solutions that exist that can help them. Number 3, solution aware. So they know that they have a problem and they know that solutions exist to help. Number 4, product aware. So they know that they have a problem, they know that solutions exist, and they also know that there are products that exist that can help them. And number 5, everyone's favorite, most aware. They know that they have a problem and they know that you have the solution to their problem. Nice and warm. At the end of the day, 1 through 5, each prospect needs its own detailed message when you outreach. Whether they're cold or warm, you have to convince them to go with your services over another. Sometimes you even have to educate them that they need a service altogether. Here's my method. Be like a trial lawyer, right? You have to get your client off. So, as you're crafting these messages 1 through 5, convince the jury that your product is the one that they need. Believe that you have what they need. Craft 5 separate messages and good luck. Remember, get up, chase your dreams. Success Definers. If you need us, you know where you can find us. www.successdefiners.com. Please like, comment, subscribe, share. Peace.